How to share access to a Facebook page. Simply come to home. Here your profile will appear. From the profile you need to switch to the page. After coming to the name of your page, you will see an option for a professional dashboard. Here you will see something like an outer stock bar. After clicking on it, you will get the option for all tools below. If you scroll a little, you will see the option for page access. You need to come here and you will see who has access to your page. Click on add new, click on next, and then paste the profile URL you copied here into the page access. Then allow this person full access. As soon as you give full access, you need to fulfill the password here and and it will be confirmed the same. You need to share access to all the pages. Now it is asking me for a code on the email, which I will enter here first.
So as you have successfully entered the code, access to your page has been granted to that profile.